Can you believe it's been 2 years since my installation of gutter guard from good old Costco? So let's take a quick review. I'll jump up on the ladder and we will go and look at all of the gutter guards around on the top of the house. Talk to you soon. Here's the first gutter, one of the first I did. And as you can see, we've got little rust on the aluminum screws. If I can get it in, there we go. But it's sealed still. That's nice. And then we've got a corner where I had to do some caulking. It looks pretty good. Don't see any issues. And the back here, we got this. It looks to still be sealed up. So far so good. Here's another. You got the end of this. I can barely reach it, so not sure it's in focus here. Looks good. We got the rusty screws. And let's get my head out of the way. We got that intersection, that looks still solid. And all the way down looks good. So far so good. This one was one of the first, and it was tricky with the edging here, but it seems to have held up very nicely still. Yeah, looks good. The rusty aluminum nails is hilarious. And all the seals look good. I'm going to go down the other end now. Here's the other end. Yeah, still looks sealed up. No worries there. As far as it working, of course, it's better than not having it. So that's what people ask. Hey, does it work? Well, let's try to get the end here without falling off the ladder. Okay. Here's the last of the front. You can see it does work still. Fall is coming, so didn't have to use any caulk for that seam, so it's good and tight. So it looks good. I'll go to the far end now. Here's the far end, the last of the front. That used a lot of caulk. Looks like it's still sealed. So we're doing good. Okay, the back side of the house. This looks quite sealed. The sun is glaring big time. Hopefully I'm getting an okay picture. And you can see crazy slope of the gutter. Not the perfect gutter setup, but it works. Here's the rest of this one. Here's a suspect joint, but no caulk, so I might have to come back and caulk it up. But this joint is fine. There's a lot of joints. As you can see, there's a bee or a wasp flying around looking for home, so you got to be careful. Make sure all these holes are clogged up. The rest of that run, still in good shape. I've looked down inside these. All you get is a bunch of little pellets from the asphalt shingles. So we'll see how that turns out, but seem to be together. Here's the end. Glare out here, so I hope I'm getting it, but it looks really good. All the way down. Yeah. You got this seam, just metal against metal, so it's working. And now I'll go over here to the last section. Okay, that worked out well. We still got the rusty screw heads, but other than that, as you can see, it still works. I'll go to the end over there and we'll see how that turned out, because that was a big problem. And that corner was a big corner. And here's the corner. See if we can get it better. And that's looks like it's holding. Now we're going down the end there. That's holding. Metal against metal. Okay, here's the end. You had to set up that. It looks like it's holding. So overall, as long as you prop it well, should last a couple years or more.